Imagine being comfortable in a sailboat. The helm feather light. Every control at your fingertips. Got the picture?
Our goal was to design a boat that would appeal to the discerning yachtsman, you know, the guy that had sailed everything and was maybe a little tired of the overhead of sailing a big boat, or maybe just wanted to sail something on his own.
The Martin 16 is the world's first personal sport boat, combining the nimble, close-to-the-water action of a dinghy with the stability, safety, and comfort of a keelboat. Drawn and created by renowned designer Don Martin, the Martin 16 shares its sleek lines and underwater design concepts with modern sport boats. The Martin 16 is constructed of high-tech materials and top-quality fittings, tapered aluminum spars, ball-bearing hardware, Mylar Kevlar laminate sails, and high-modulus lines and rigging. Unique centerline seats make the Martin 16 the most comfortable sailboat on the planet. Your Martin 16 can be rigged and launched by one person. In just minutes, you're in the cockpit sailing away. The responsive joystick controls a deep, balanced rudder blade to keep you in control in any wind and weather. All control lines are at your fingertips and require minimum effort. When you're ready to haul out, an electric lift raises the keel. And any car can safely tow a Martin 16 on her custom road trailer protected by the durable road cover.
There are Martin 16 fleets popping up everywhere. We sail both single and double-handed in competition. Sail with your partner or go it alone. When we designed the boat, the Martin 16 was the world's first trailerable personal sport boat. It's a totally unique sailing experience.
Got the picture? Test drive a Martin 16 and discover sailing all over again.